Hello there, here's the recipe of diet coffee. It's truly frothy cappuccino with no milk and no sugar, and it's very helpful in low cholesterol and zero sugar diet. And for this you will need 7 to 8 almonds, and you have to need like 5 to 6 number of cashews. And what you have to do is just soak them for 6 to 7 hours overnight, or you can just soak them in a day for 6 to 7 hours. And after soaking, just remove the water and take a new half cup of water and add into the grinder and grind them to get the milky and frothy consistency. Just grind it nicely, and believe me, this milk will taste absolutely tasty, creamy, thick, and the coffee is just like better if you use the canned milk from the market. It's very thick. It's not that thin like almond milk available in the market. And if you want, you can add a little bit of water and then heat the milk at low to medium flame. Just heat the milk so that you can get a nice hot coffee. So for sugar, I'm using the zero sweetener, that's monk fruit with ethanol. You can use dates, soaked dates also, if you don't want to use the sweetener. And I'm adding coffee regular. You can choose any coffee you want. And because I want to beat the coffee, so I'm adding just 1 spoon of water and beating. I'm going to beat this mixture with my manual beater, and it's awesome. And it will give you that froth what you need in a cappuccino, regular cappuccino. And the milk, it's so creamy. And what else you need for a great cappuccino? And especially if you are on a diet and you're watching your carbs, and you're watching suppose you're on a low cholesterol diet and you are vegan, you're lactose intolerant, this is a must for you guys. And the good thing is that it will suppress your hunger also, because the nuts are having their own richness and taste, and it's delicious, guys. Just try this. You can enjoy this milk for making tea and making another shakes also, like suppose banana shake or suppose anything you want to make. So try this milk with almond and cashews. And this coffee, especially this coffee, I named it as a diet coffee. Do try and give me a comment and share your experience. How do you like this? And if I compare with the market canned almond milk, oat milk, this milk is better and easy to make at home whenever you like. So do try, and please subscribe to my channel, Vegetarian Keto Rocks.